Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to today's episode. So today I was actually planning on working on my second project car, but it's been raining and I've been busy at work over the week, and I was thinking, I'm gonna start working on it on the weekend, but again, it's been raining, so instead I'm gonna be doing one of the eBay upgrades. This is a quick release buttons or whatever for the bumper or the hood, whatever you want to use it for. I'm not gonna do like a step-by-step video because there's a lot of videos on how to do this on YouTube, so I think it's gonna be pretty boring. Instead I'm gonna install this and kind of compare to the ones that I've seen people pay like $20, $30, $40, $60. I mean, they're pretty pricey ones that they buy. This one I paid, I think, $5. Came from China. There's two inside. I haven't opened it. I'm gonna open it and see what's inside, what it comes with, and start working on it. So let's do it. Just one and two. So these are aluminum. So let's see. So pretty basic. This one goes on the car, this one goes on your part, bumper, hood, whatever. And actually, yeah, yep, it's holding all right. Press this and pops right out. So let's put it on the car. So I just remembered there's actually one screw on each side for the fog light mount that you have to actually take it off. So, oh, never mind, there's actually, I forgot, more clips. So there's a screw right here, there's one right there, and there's more clips that I actually have to take it off. I forgot. Let's take that off too. So lesson learned. First mistake that I made, kind of heads up. So I thought, since the bumper enforcement has holes in it, why not put this inside, which is perfect hole or size, and then put this here right in here. But I really didn't think of how thick this thing is, so you can't really put this in because the bumper doesn't sit all the way, so you have to kind of have a gap like this one here, so when you put this in here it sits perfect. So this is not gonna work, and I can't really put anything on the side because on the side it has the sliders that the bumper goes. So what I'm going to do instead, I'll take the molding this way. So, and kind of when I was thinking to put this under the molding, I was kind of like, every time you take the bumper off, you have to take the moldings off. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the hole inside the molding and put this there. So when you want to take the bumper off, you just push the buttons on this side. There's gonna be one on the other side, and it comes right up. So I'm gonna either put it right here or here. Let's see if I can take this off. There you go. I might just put one right here. We'll see. Either here or here. We'll see. Nope, too close to the edge right here. So it goes right here. So plan number 2 failed too, because look at this. So I drilled a hole, which is kind of perfect, but this thing still sits too far out, and I can't make it go all the way down or inside. So this is what happens. You can still see how much like gap I still have here. There you go. That's it. So I need to push this rod that's sticking out. What is like less than a quarter inch or whatever. So I need to push this rod inside a little more, because this how much gap I have. But I can't do this because when I take this off, well, anyways, I don't have all the threads. I mean, it's not enough. It's all the way at the end right now, like this. So plan number A, B, what is it? C, number 3. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this rivet, thread the rivet inside the reinforcement, and then put this rod in. So I'm take everything out, take the bumper off, put this in, and let's see if that will work. So what I did in the back, I put another nut, because when you have this, let's say when I thread it all the way in, this one's still gonna be moving. Like, it's not like tight, it's still loose. I mean, it's not gonna come out, but so I put washer. You don't have to put washer, but I put washer, put another nut in it, tighten it, and this way it will not move. I'm gonna tighten it pretty good, and that's it. So let's put the bumper on, see if it's gonna work. It will, because I mean, you see how much more inside it is. So I'm gonna put this on the bumper, so I don't have to take it off like this and on. I don't know if I should. Let's put it on the molding, I guess. I think it's just too far in, so. That's it. It's kind of sketchy. It looks sketchy, kind of. It's on it. I can probably tighten. Yeah, I can probably tighten just a little bit, or not tighten, but to get that rod, this rod to go more inside, so this way I won't have any play. So let's see if I can do it with the hand. Probably not. That's it. Very nice. Let's do the other side. So it took me a while actually to get that side on, but well, now I know what to do, so it should be easy on this side. So let's do the other side and see how it works. So this side should be pretty easy because now I know what I'm drilling and where. The only thing is that I don't have drill bit that's big enough to just make this big of a hole just with one try. So I guess I was too lazy to go out and buy it for just one time use, or cheap, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, now like I said, I know where to drill, which is right here. Right there. Where is my finger? Right here. Drill right in the middle and put the thing on. So it's right there. I'm gonna adjust this side. There you go. Now check this side. We can go a bit to the right and it should be fine. So made the hole bigger, and there you go. I'm gonna take the bumper out, put this all the way in, tighten it, and adjust the rod that's inside. Okay, let's take it off. I haven't taken it off yet, so. Up. One. And two. Ta-da! Let's put it on. Not that easy to do by yourself, but do one side. There you go. Probably gonna take a couple tries to kind of get used to it because, like I said, this is the first time taking up. But oh, there you go. See? And it's on. Wait. I don't think it's gonna come off. So I said I'm not gonna be doing install video, but you guys seen how it actually took me like 2-3 different tries or approaches to install it. So I know not a lot of people have these tools. Well, at least this one. This is a threaded rivet gun, and honestly it's not that expensive. I think I paid $25 or $35. It came with this set. They are aluminum, which you don't really need steel or anything or metal. I honestly really recommend this. I'm not gonna do any reviews or anything like that, but it works really good, pretty cheap. Comes with different sizes, attachments, different size, threaded rivets. If you're doing fender flares, I wasn't even planning using one in a bumper, but you guys saw that I had to, because otherwise it wouldn't work. But if you're doing a lot of DIYs, I would really highly recommend getting one of these. So I think that's it. I'm gonna put the oil cooler back on, and probably would recommend getting extension wires for your fog lights, because when you take them off, there's not a lot of room to actually pull it back and put it on. So like I said in the beginning, a lot of people, the videos that I've seen, a lot of people pay like $30-40 for each. I paid $5 or $6 with the shipping. It took almost a month to get it because they were coming from China or something, but it's $5. So super easy, really cheap. So okay, two things to kind of keep in mind when you guys do the install. Number one, you guys notice that this one sits a bit too low. In this case, I don't really care because I'm replacing this bumper. I already have M3 bumper that I'm gonna be installing here, just needs to be painted. But the reason why it came out this low, if you guys remember, the holes that I used on the bumper reinforcement were the original ones that were there, and this is why if you use that, it's gonna sit a bit too low. So if you guys want, you probably want to go a little higher up. But number two, the easy install. Now I kind of know because I had to go through all that stuff. But take a drill with the bumper installed. Take a drill and kind of drill in the middle, whatever spot you want. And this is anywhere right here. You can drill it to install it, and it's gonna help you out to kind of align bumper hole and the reinforcement is gonna be aligned together, and then you can just drill out a bigger hole here to make the button work or fit here. So I think this is it for today's video. If you guys liked the video, if it was helpful, please hit thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, and look out for my new DIY videos. See you next time.